Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 7 laziest ways you can make money in your sleep as a student. That's right, you can be catching those Z's while the cash rolls in. We're talking about setting up systems that practically run themselves so you can focus on what really matters, like acing that exam or finally beating that impossible level on your favorite video game. Let's get right into it. Imagine waking up richer than when you went to bed. Picture this. You open your eyes, stretch, and check your phone, only to find that you've made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's a system where you can earn passive income by promoting products or services from other companies. You don't need to create your own products or handle any logistics. It's like having your own little money-making machine working 24/7, even while you're snoring away. Imagine a machine that never stops, tirelessly working to bring in cash, no matter what time of day or night it is. So how does it work? It's simpler than you might think. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert to get started. Basically, you recommend products or services you love to your friends, family, or even your social media followers. Think about the last time you told someone about a great restaurant or a cool gadget you found. It's just like that, but you get paid for it. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, boom, you earn a commission. It's a rewarding feeling to see those notifications pop up, knowing that your recommendations are helping others and earning you money. The best part? You don't have to deal with any of the messy stuff like inventory, shipping, or customer service. It's truly a win-win. You can focus on what you enjoy, whether it's creating content, engaging with your audience, or simply relaxing. We'll be diving into some killer strategies for finding the right affiliate programs and maximizing your earnings, so stay tuned. Whether you're a beginner or looking to up your game, we've got tips and tricks that will help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Get ready to transform your passion into profit and wake up richer every day. Ever thought about designing cool t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? With print on demand, you can turn your creative ideas into passive income streams. It's super simple. You create the designs, upload them to a platform like Printful or Printify, and they handle the rest, from printing to shipping. You literally just sit back, relax, and watch the orders and the money roll in. No need to worry about upfront costs or storing inventory. Plus, you can experiment with different designs and products to see what resonates best with your audience. It's like having your own online merch store without any of the hassle. Dropshipping is like being the ultimate middleman, but in a good way. You create an online store and list products from suppliers. When someone places an order, the supplier handles everything, from packaging to shipping. You never even touch the product. It's all about finding trending products, marketing them effectively, and providing excellent customer service. The profit margin might seem small at first, but trust me, it adds up quickly, especially when you're selling hundreds or even thousands of products. We'll be uncovering some secret strategies for finding reliable suppliers and skyrocketing your dropshipping sales, so buckle up. Chapter 4. Are you always the one snapping amazing photos? Well, guess what? Those photos could be making you money while you sleep. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo are constantly looking for high-quality images to sell to businesses, bloggers, and publishers. Every time someone licenses your photo, you earn a royalty. It's like having your own little photography empire, and the best part is, you can keep adding to your portfolio over time. We'll be sharing some insider tips on taking captivating photos that sell and maximizing your earnings potential. So grab your camera and let's get snapping. Chapter 5. Online courses. Share your knowledge. Earn while you learn. In today's digital age, the way we learn and teach has transformed dramatically. Gone are the days when education was confined to traditional classrooms. Now, with the power of the internet, anyone with expertise in a particular field can share their knowledge with a global audience. Are you a whiz at math? A coding guru? Perhaps you have a knack for breaking down complex problems into simple, understandable steps. Your unique approach could be exactly what someone needs to grasp a difficult concept. A master chef in the making? Imagine sharing your culinary secrets, your special recipes, and your cooking techniques with aspiring chefs around the world. Your kitchen could become a global classroom. Whatever your skills, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. From academic subjects to creative arts, from technical skills to personal development, the range of topics you can teach is vast and varied. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to share your knowledge, establish yourself as an expert, and generate passive income. Imagine waking up to find that people from different time zones have enrolled in your course while you were asleep. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it super easy to create and upload your courses. These platforms provide all the tools you need to design, record, and market your course effectively. They also offer analytics to help you understand your audience and improve your content. You can teach anything from photography to coding to yoga. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's a hobby you're passionate about or a professional skill you've mastered, there's a market for it. Plus, you get to connect with students from all over the world and make a real impact. Teaching online allows you to reach a diverse audience, share your culture, and learn from others as well. It's a two-way street of knowledge and experience. We'll be diving into the nitty-gritty of course creation, marketing, and pricing, so you can start sharing your expertise and earning those sweet passive income streams. From planning your course content to setting the right price, from marketing strategies to engaging with your students, we'll cover everything you need to know to succeed in the world of online teaching. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey of sharing your knowledge and making a difference in the lives of learners worldwide. Chapter 6. Investing in Stocks. Watch your money grow while you sleep. Investing in the stock market might seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth and generate passive income. When you buy shares of a company, you are essentially buying a small piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares can increase, allowing you to benefit from the company's success. Thanks to micro-investing apps like Robinhood and Acorns, you can start investing with just a few dollars. These apps have made it easier than ever for anyone to get started with investing, regardless of their financial background. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. The key is to do your research, invest in companies you believe in, and be patient. It's important to understand the fundamentals of the companies you're investing in and to stay informed about market trends and news. This will help you make more informed decisions and increase your chances of success. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a massive stock portfolio. Building wealth through investing takes time and perseverance. It's a long-term game, and the rewards can be substantial if you stay committed and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. We'll be breaking down the basics of investing, sharing some tips for choosing winning stocks, and showing you how to build a diversified portfolio that can weather any market storm. Diversification is crucial because it helps spread risk across different types of investments, reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a solid understanding of how to start investing in stocks and how to make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Chapter 7. Blogging. Write your way to financial freedom. Do you have a passion for writing, a knack for storytelling, a desire to share your thoughts and ideas with the world? Then blogging might be your ticket to passive income paradise. By creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, you can attract a loyal following and monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. It takes time and effort to build a successful blog, but the rewards can be life-changing. We'll be sharing some proven strategies for finding your niche, creating engaging content, and turning your blog into a passive income powerhouse. Outro. Start earning today. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to start making money in your sleep. With a little creativity, effort, and the right strategies, you can turn your downtime into dollar signs. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your passive income streams today. See you in the next video.